Aww.
Right there. Oh.
She's probably dizzy, dude.
Dude, she follows a fly around. I don't think she'll get that dizzy.
How did she keep up with it? I would have lost it.
Aww. Poor Yola.
That's her exercise right there.
Whoa.
Right.
Dude, she's tired. Look at her.
What does she do
Dude,
when
why
it
do you think she's
stops?
so muscular? Dude, all she does is run.
Yola.
What does she do when it stops? What does she do to it?
Not on me.
She's all pissed.